Hi guys, this is just a quick video showing you guys one of my cactus flowering. It's so pretty. So all the little yellow spikes looks like flowers, and it seems like there is, oh my god, 1 2 3 4 5 buds coming out, and there's already one, and then there's 5 hidden ones. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's very pretty. And I don't know if these are the ones that opens at night and close at daytime, so I'm going to film another video later, see if the flower opens. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Morning everyone. So my little flower here did not open last night, but opened this morning. It was still completely closed last night, and this morning it's blooming like 100%. So I wonder if he's going to close in the evening again. So now I'm thinking about removing this one here, because as you can see there's a little gap going on here, and this ball is really just hanging by itself. So I think I'm gonna remove that one right here on the bottom and see if I can root it. I think it has grown quite a bit since I got it. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this one in the bottom is definitely getting big, so I think I will remove that. Hi, so as I said earlier, I'm going to remove this one here on the bottom because it's kind of hanging here, and I've been thinking about removing the whole thing from the stick, but that's just too risky. So let's just see if I can propagate this one alone in a pot without this green stick. I mean, I know it's giving it a lot more nutrition and food, but you know, it's just way more prettier when it's alone. So all I'm going to do is hold it and twist it, have a good feel of where it is. You don't want to hurt the stems. Oh, there's a little crack. So I can see the stem in here. I don't know if you guys can. Okay, it's coming off. Because I feel like if I don't move it any sooner, it's actually going to interfere with the mother plant. Oh god, this is like not coming off. I don't know why. See the stem there? Oh, okay. So here is the inside. This is a good news because I got this little stem here. I'm going to put it just like this and let it dry until I plant it in the soil. I think if I'm lucky enough, or hopefully, there's gonna be more babies coming out from here. You can see this side really didn't get much sun, so it's like a purpley green color, and this side is more like a purpley black.